Hey everybody, welcome back to Holt Growers. I'm Timothy Holt and this is my backyard. As you can see here, we did some work on the greenhouse. The tomatoes definitely ravished the greenhouse plastic. That plastic was only about a year and a half, almost 2 years old. Looking back at the record, I thought it had been on there longer than that, but 2 growing seasons. We were going to use polycarbonate to cover the roof of it, and then use 6 mil plastic, which is what this is. It's a little thicker than what we used last time. Last time we used 4 mil or 3.5 mil. This is 6 mil. It's a lot thicker, better greenhouse material. And the original plan was on the short sides here and the 2 ends, we were going to use the plastic and use polycarbonate roof paneling, clear on the top. As you can see, we did not do that. Instead, we went with plastic for all of it. That was a cost savings measure. Eventually, I do want to put a more permanent roof on this. But that was a cost saving measure. The plastic is just a lot less expensive. So what we have to hold the plastic down is we added more supports across our trusses, which I can show you on the inside, and then these 1x2s is all they are, nailed in, holding the plastic down. So we'll just do a quick tour around the greenhouse. Hopefully, if all goes well this winter, we will have crops all year round in the greenhouse. So right there. And then this is the back side of that greenhouse, which the neighbors get to see. This part, it's just how the plastic orientated. Rather than cutting it up on the top, we just dropped it down and doubled up on this side. This is the east side of the greenhouse, so the sun's gonna hit it first. And in the winter time, we're hoping that that will heat the greenhouse up faster from the overnight chill. So now we're gonna cut to the inside of the greenhouse here and show you that. All right, so we've cut into the greenhouse here. Right there are the supports, rather than, I mean, some people would say it's kind of odd supporting, but it works. All it needs to do is hold the top up. So doesn't have to be structural like your house, because nobody's going to be on top of the roof, and it's not going to have a lot of snow on it. So this is our door. Just like last year, we left these up. These are just that 3.5 mil plastic cut into sheets that overlap. That way the door isn't the weak spot in the heat system here to keep the greenhouse cold, warm. These are those tomato plants. As you can see, they have started to wilt and fall. So, and they're pretty brown, but you can definitely tell there are still gobs of tomatoes on there. Now outside, today we've averaged about 41, 42 degrees outside. Here inside the greenhouse, we have just shy of 80 degrees. It's overcasted out. It's been rainy and gloomy all day. What is that? I've seen some of this before on my tomatoes, and I'm not sure if that might be like frostbite, because it's been on the colder nights. So, hey, if you know what this is on the tomatoes, let me know. Leave a comment, and let me know what that is. It looks almost like somebody took a torch to it. So, I'll be picking these here later today, and these I'll get rid of. So. But as you can see in here, we've got all these tomato plants still. If they end up coming back and going strong again because it's warmer in here than outside, great. If not, they'll be coming out. Also, this weekend, weather permitting, this week weather outside has not been very stellar. So This weekend, weather permitting, the pepper plants, which are outside, will be coming in here, right where that blue tarp is, and that black plastic back there. And this whole row will become peppers for the winter. We're going to transplant them, try to keep them. And then the rest of this that currently is fallow is going to be growing some salad greens for us. So that's a quick video for this week. And get out and grow something today.